Hey guys, if you just upgrade your controllers or you are replacing them and you need to pair them with your MetaQuest, well, this is how to do it. So here's my replacement because my other one broke, but it could be an upgrade as well. This exact same video for you guys. So during the process, if it's your left controller that you're pairing, maybe you're pairing both, regardless, you're gonna press this button right here with the 3 lines and the Y, okay? So that's during the process. I'm gonna show you where. And then if it's your right controller, you're gonna be pressing this button with the Meta logo and the letter B, both at the same time. All right, that's in your right controller during the process, if it's your right controller once again. The logo here might be different for you guys, depending which MetaQuest you guys have, but regardless, it's gonna be in the same spot. All right, so we're gonna pair up your MetaQuest controller. So make sure your MetaQuest itself is turned on, whether it's MetaQuest 3S, 3, or 2, make sure it's turned on. Then go into your Meta Horizon app, open that app. Then on the bottom middle, you should see your profile picture, or if you're doing this on tablet, we're on the top, but it's your profile picture anyways. Tap on it. From there, on the top, very top right hand side, you're gonna see those 3 lines. So just tap on those 3 lines and then just scroll down. You're gonna see devices. From devices, you're gonna see whatever MetaQuest you guys have, just tap on there as well. So that's to connect up to it. Then from here, tap on headset settings. In your headset settings, if you don't see these options right away, it might tell you to just finish up some setup. Just go ahead and accept whatever conditions, whatever setup you guys need to finish, and then you're gonna see these options. So from here, you're gonna see controllers as your second option. From controllers, you're gonna see your controllers here. So if you guys are replacing or anything like that, just unpair your old one, and to unpair it, let's say I'm unpairing the right controller, just tap on it, tap on unpair, and you're done, okay? And then to add another controller, that's what we're doing in this video, we're gonna tap on pair new controller. So we're gonna tap there, and then from here, it's gonna tell us which one. So we're pairing this case, and it could be both, by the way, so you just have to repeat the same steps I'm showing you for every single one of them. So what I'm gonna do is pair my left controller. So that's pair MetaQuest 3 left controller. That's my very first option. And if you guys upgrade it to a Pro controller, that would be down here below. You guys will see pair MetaQuest Pro left controller. So you guys can definitely do that right now. You guys can also pair stylus. That's your very last option, by the way. But anyways, let's just go ahead and pair, in this case again, our left controller. That's our very first option. So we're gonna tap there, and it's gonna tell us what to do. So we're gonna hold on to those 2 buttons for 4 seconds. So that's the 3 lines with the Y, which I showed you guys already. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Hold on there. You're gonna hear a vibration, and just hold on, let go of it. Once it shows you on the screen that it's pretty much paired, you should see a light on your controller should be turned on. Obviously, putting a battery inside your controller before we ever do any of this stuff. And right now, it's gonna update your firmware for your controller. But at this point in time, you are synced up already. That's why it's updating, or else it wouldn't update. And yes, it's supposed to be this easy. Just don't let go of those 2 buttons until you guys hear those, well, you feel those 2 vibrations. And then once it's kind of done, it's gonna tell you here. So just let it do its thing, let it update. So make sure you guys have internet when you're doing this. Make sure you don't turn off your MetaQuest. It has to be turned on for the entire procedure. And if you guys are doing this for a Pro controller, it's gonna be the exact same steps to pair a Pro controller. So this is for those of you who are getting a replacement, or those of you who have a Pro controller and upgrade it to that. Now, if during this process, if you put on your MetaQuest, you're gonna see a little message saying that, yep, your left controller is being updated. So you won't just see that here in the app itself, but also if you wear your MetaQuest at this point. So at this point, I wouldn't touch anything. I would just let it be and then come back to it later on. Anyways, right now you should be able to use your controller anyways while this update is happening. So go ahead and play some games, do whatever you need to do in your MetaQuest while this update runs, and you're all done. Anyways, as far as this video goes, that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.